Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Search Console login issues, site verification help step by step. Open an incognito or private browser window to eliminate old cookies and cached sessions. Go to accounts.google.com and sign in with the exact Google account that should own the website property. If you have multiple Google accounts, sign out from all accounts and sign back in with only one account. Visit search.google.com/search-console and confirm you are not being redirected to a different account profile. Check your internet connection and temporarily disable VPN, proxy, or corporate filtering that can block Google services. Update your browser to the latest version to avoid authentication and security compatibility errors. Clear browser cache and cookies for Google domains, then restart the browser completely. Turn off browser extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers, then try logging in again. If you see a two-step verification prompt, complete it and make sure your phone time and date are set correctly. If you cannot access your two-step method, use Google Account Recovery at g.co/recover and regain access first. After login works, click the property selector in Search Console to verify you are viewing the correct site. If the site is missing, click Add Property and choose Domain Property for full coverage or URL prefix for a specific URL. For domain property, copy the TXT record provided and open your domain's DNS management panel. Paste the TXT record exactly as shown, save changes, and wait for DNS propagation, which can take minutes to 24 hours. Return to Search Console and click Verify, then retry later if the record is not detected yet. For URL prefix verification, choose the HTML file method and upload the file to the root folder of your website so it is reachable at https://yourdomain.com/yourfile.html. Open that exact file URL in your browser to confirm it loads publicly without redirects or login walls. Go back to Search Console and click Verify to complete the process. If you use WordPress, you can verify with the HTML tag method by copying the meta tag from Search Console. Paste the meta tag into your site header using an SEO plugin or theme header settings, then publish changes. If verification still fails, make sure your site is accessible over the same protocol and hostname, such as HTTPS and www or non-www. Check that your site does not redirect the verification URL to a different domain or path unexpectedly. Confirm your robots.txt is not blocking the verification file or key pages needed for ownership checks. If you rely on Google Analytics or Google Tag Manager verification, confirm the tag is on the homepage and uses the same Google account access. In Search Console, open Settings, then Users and Permissions to confirm you have owner permission on the property. If you do not have permission, request the verified owner to add your Google account as an owner. If you changed DNS, hosting, or themes recently, repeat verification because old methods may have been removed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.